Create your own free talking avatar and bring your virtual conversations to life. With our innovative platform, you can easily design a personalized avatar that speaks in your voice. Simply choose from a variety of customizable features, including style, expressions, and gestures.
I'm going to show you how to make your own AI talking avatar in this incredible video tutorial, which is free of cost and without annoying watermarks. We will be using KreadoAI today. The link of this amazing tool can be found below in my description box. The best part is that it's free right now, so let's get started right away. All you have to do is click the Start Free button and register using your Gmail account to get started. It's a simple and quick process. When you get in, a number of options will be shown to you. Choose the Digital Human Video Creation option, as this is our main focus when it comes to AI avatars. Check out this amazing selection of virtual oral characters that are available. There are many different complex characters to choose from, and they all have distinctive speech patterns. Even the aspect ratio can be changed to suit your preferences. You have a number of options on the right side of the screen. First, pick the language type that best meets your requirement. Next, adjust the character's tone to fit the intended vibe. You can also choose the language style that best suits your tastes. Let's add the script after that. This is the exciting part though. Script writing is a feature provided by KreadoAI. Your script will be ready in a matter of seconds if you just enter your keywords. To get the intended results, you can also adjust the speech rate and tone. Curious to know the sound of it? Press the audio button to hear a sample of the voice.
Create your own free talking avatar and bring your virtual conversations to life. With our innovative platform, you can easily design a personalized avatar that speaks in your
Presenting the breakthrough innovation that lets you make a free AI talking avatar of your own. It's time to select the selection characters that you like the best. After selecting your option, click Generate Video to begin the procedure. Please be aware that the process of creating a video could take a few minutes. Please feel free to return to my project page at a later time to see the latest updates. You can quickly download the video after it has been created and watch your own AI-generated talking avatar.
Create your own free talking avatar and bring your virtual conversations to life. With our innovative platform, you can easily design a personalized avatar that speaks in your voice.
Isn't it KreadoAI amazing in this way? You don't need to worry about hassles or money to make your avatars come to life. So go ahead and begin creating your own AI talking avatar right now. Don't forget to give this video a like. Also subscribe for more fascinating tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching. Happy creating and remembering your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.